So question 6 says solve the equations using the substitution method. So again, we've kind of went through these materials already in previous videos, so I won't go through these again. Uh, but the substitution method, what we want to do is we want to rearrange either equation to isolate one of the variables. So we have to decide which of these equations we want to solve and which variable do we want to solve for. Looking at this, I really think they're both kind of hard to deal with. I'm just going to go ahead and just choose the first one and solve for x. Uh, so I'm going to have this 20x minus this 18y equals this -2. One of the reasons I did that is because when I move this negative over, it's going to become a positive a little bit. So 20x is going to equal 18y minus 2. Now, if I divide both sides by 20, so x is going to equal then, this can reduce. I can take a 2 out, and that'd be like 9/10 y minus 1/10. So I'm stuck with fractions or decimals. I'm just going to leave those as fractions and see what happens. So what I'm allowed to do now is I solve the first equation for x. So that means that this expression here can go in for x in the second equation. So as I move forward, this 10, and then this x is going to get replaced with 9/10 y minus 1/10 plus this 36y equals this 39. So when I multiply through, notice that the 10s will cancel out. So 10 times 9/10 y, the 10s will cancel out and be a 9y. Again, 10 times -1/10, the 10s will cancel out and give me a -1, plus 36y equals 39. Well, the y's can combine together and give me what, a 45y minus 1 equals 39. So I have 45y. I can add a 1 to both sides. 39 plus 1 is 40. Divide both sides by 45, so 40 over 45. Looks like I can take a 5 out. If I take a 5 out, that's going to give me 8/9. So what I can do now is substitute the 8/9 in for y over here and solve for x. So x is going to equal 9/10 times this 8/9 minus this 1/10. Well, notice that the 9s will divide out, and that gives me 8/10 take away 1/10, which is going to give me 7/10. So that math actually is not as hard as it looked. So x equals 7/10 and y equaled 8/9. That would be my solution to that equation.